I'm actually gonna, can you rip them apart? Oh my god. I'm gonna be wearing and tearing this bad boy. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicolah. If you are new, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much for being here. And if you're old, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is another unboxing, unopening, bag opening, bag showing, bag boxing, whatever you guys call it. Today is another unboxing video featuring BOXYCHARM. Can you tell that I'm excited, guys? So as you can see, I have already opened her up because I just couldn't wait. Every time I get these in the mail and I have time to film, like the span of time in between is ridiculous. So there's no way that I'm not going to peek inside this box. And I gotta tell you guys, I really like the April box. So if you're interested to see what I got in this month's BOXYCHARM, then stay tuned. I don't know why, like, I think me moving my brows just like entices people. This is what's in this month's box. So this month's thing says eye candy, which I think is super cute, and I guess that's the theme of all the stuff that's going on here. And I do also have some discount codes that came with this month's box, so I will stick that in the description box below. And also, if you're interested in joining BOXYCHARM, I have a special sign-up code for you guys, so make sure to check the info box for all the information. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna go from like smallest to biggest item. I'm not gonna necessarily go in order of how they gave it to me here. So the first thing I got, or the first thing I'll show you guys, is a brush duo set. Now first of all, guys, these brushes are super cute. They have little like jewel embroideries on them. It's from SL Miss Glam, and it's their brush duo set. So this duo eye brush set is made with pink and lilac love. Be transported to a magical glam world by creating a flawless eye look that sparkles as if straight from a fairy tale. And these brushes together, this brush set retails for $38.50. I'm actually gonna, can you rip them apart? Just off of like a first impression, these brushes are super soft. This is actually denser than it looks. It looks like regular flat head kind of blending eyeshadow brush, but it's, when I'm feeling it, it feels more densely packed than it initially looks, and I really like that. This brush, I'm not sure how I would use this brush, because in terms of like how long the bristles are, these bristles on here are longer than the other bristles on my other fluffy blending brushes. So I'm not sure if it'll blend the same, or I'm not sure if I can use it the same, but nonetheless, I'm still gonna try. The next item I got is some brow gel, the Brow Gal, and it's their Insta Tint Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. This brow gel retails for $22 on its own. So number one, the brush. So it looks like, I've never used brow gel, guys, so I don't, first of all, I don't know who told these people they can hit me up like this, okay? So I've never used brow gel before, so I personally don't know, I guess, what I would compare it to, but just off of like my first impressions and what I'm seeing, this is a really light color. I don't know if I can swatch it. I don't know if that's a thing. Okay, I could swatch it. You can't even really see that on my skin. I don't know if you guys can even, it's right there. It's really light. So I'm not sure if this was meant for me personally, but nonetheless, if it keeps the hairs in place, I wouldn't mind trying to use it anyway. This is a warm color per se, but it's also a really light color, so I'm a little skeptical to how this will work, and just in terms of color and my skin tone. But I am really excited to try a brow gel because I've never used one. So I see a lipstick in here from MAC that I actually didn't notice the first time that I opened this box, so I'm really excited to see this. So this is obviously from MAC Cosmetics, and it's their Lip Tensity lipstick, a brilliant formula that pushes the boundaries of color. Each lipstick holds intense amounts of pigment, resulting in extreme color intensity, clarity, and vibrance. Maybe if I open it, oh, I got it in the color Dough. Here we go, it's at the top. So let's see, Dough sounds, Dough sounds nude. On its own, it retails for $21. I love how sleek and minimalist this really looks, and oh, So I could look at this stick of lipstick. First of all, I'm getting a ton of product, okay? That's a ton of product. Just me swatching it onto my hand, it definitely has that satin feel. Like, it's very true to name. It has that satin feel. It is very pigmented. So it definitely has that satin feel and that satin look to it, and I'm really all here for this sheer kind of nude look that it has going on, that gloss. You could see it kind of glaring against my lights really quick, but I really like this color, and it feels great. I'm gonna be wearing and tearing this bad boy. Okay. Am I the only one who, like, when you get new stuff, you put it back in the box and you try and keep it in the box and nicest looking in the box as long as possible? Am I the only one who does that? Am I extra? The next item I got is from Dr. Brandt, and it's the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This award-winning pore refining mask is a extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. This mask retails for $47 on its own. So as for like smell, because you know I'm really into smell, guys. So this smells really harsh. But it's not like a bad harsh, the smell is just strong. Alright, so that's mint. That's definitely peppermint. Oh. So it comes with these little blue beads on the inside, and it definitely is starting to suds up, and I only put literally the smallest amount on my hand, and it's sudding up and spreading out like a lot. And oh, on my hand I'm feeling like a really crazy cooling sensation, so I like that in my cleansers. And yeah, there's a very heavy mint smell in here, very heavy. But I'm always down to try a new cleanser, so I'm really excited to see how this is gonna, you know, react with my skin. And it says it's made for literally my skin type. I have very large and disgusting pores, and I have oily skin. Well, I have oily to combination skin, but the parts that are oily right here is oily. It's like I dunked my face in a bucket of fried chicken oily. The direction says after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. So this is not like, you know, you don't have to do your whole face. You just apply it to the areas where there's a lot of oil. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes until it dries, and then a cooling sensation will occur. You rinse with warm water and pat dry. I already do face masks on the regular, so me and you about to get really acquainted. So I had to save my most excited product for last. The last product I got is another eyeshadow palette. Guys, I'm so hyped I'm getting like full-blown palettes in these boxes, because before I didn't even own that much eyeshadow. I had like really cheap and shitty eyeshadow, excuse my language. So the fact that I'm getting these quality shadows in these boxes that I'm so excited to just play around with and really dig into. So I'm really excited that I got another palette, guys. So the palette I got in this month's box is from ColourPop. ColourPop, how you doing? Shout out to y'all. Booyaka booyaka. So this eyeshadow palette is called the Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. Our first palette with all 4 finishes: matte, metallic, satin, and duochrome. So this is such a cute palette, guys. Oh my gosh. So these are the colors. Ooh. So these are how the colors look, guys. Y'all, can we talk about this one right here? Can we talk about that? I'm gonna swatch some of these for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one first, because that one looks gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and see how this pink comes out on the skin. Okay, that is one swipe. This color right here looks like a gilded, really like pretty gold. Okay, so number one, whatever that was, I don't know if it was a duochrome or not, but it is soft. It is soft and it came off like butter. So that is that gilded gold that I just showed you guys. Actually 2 more, because I'm really interested in 2 more. I'm gonna swatch this color right here and this color right here. So those 2 end colors. So number 1, I'm all here for these pearly moonlight blue, pink, iridescent colors, and then these really heavy like metallic colors right here. I'm all here for them, and they give you some basic mattes as well, which I'm really happy for. They give you like a nice, they give you at least 3 brown girl friendly transition colors right here, a bunch of them. Some matte transition colors, which I really like, because it makes when there are some mattes in here or some transition colors in here, it makes an entire palette really usable, because you can get an entire look just off this one palette. So you already know. I'm gonna be up in here like swimwear, okay? Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these unboxings and if you want to see more. Also, if you're interested in joining the BOXYCHARM fam, I will have a sign up code in the description box for you guys, so you guys can get some goodies and some discounts. Also, the discounts that came with this month's box, I will also include that as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your peeps. Until next time guys, peace.